Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PartnerStack to recruit SaaS affiliates, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the PartnerStack website. Once the page loads, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields prompting you for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your email and password, double-check for any typographical errors. After confirming the information is correct, click on the Login button to access your account. If your credentials are valid, you will be redirected to your PartnerStack dashboard. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the navigation panel on the left side. To recruit SaaS affiliates, click on the Recruit option in the menu. Explore the various tools and options available for affiliate recruitment. You can create campaigns, track referral links, and manage affiliates from this area. Consider using the search function to find specific options. Review your dashboard to monitor the status of your affiliate program. If you have any questions, use the help or support options provided on the site. Congratulations, you have now successfully logged into PartnerStack and can start recruiting SaaS affiliates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.